Hey traders, Nick here. It is 11/1. Happy November. After the market is closed, what a messy week so far. Like if I zoom out, it's been messy. Anyway, the point of this video, there's no trade recommendation here. This is me hoping I get across to some of you and to highlight the importance of learning some options. You don't have to be an expert in options, but if you learn a few tricks, you can improve your trading regardless of the styles. Even if you don't want to trade options, you will know what not to do and how to trade your equities, whichever way you trade it. The knowledge, the basic, if I were to title this, I would say, how can options solve many trader problems? And it's a long title, but that's what it is. So I'm going to share with you today, for example, choppy day. So this was pop and drop and then huge chop all day ahead of Fed. But that's happening often. This was yesterday, chop, 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 chop. So how do you know how to time it? A lot of people have good skills, kudos. And if you have those skills, I'm going to see if I can entice you to learn some more. And also look for up in the right-hand corner and in the description, I'm going to put a link to a class I'm throwing. I can only take a maximum of 25, and I think I have 13 spots left. I just started soliciting for that. And these have been almost one-on-one because we're such a small group, intense, and I think they will interest anybody that's interested in learning about options. And let me entice you to do that. All right, so I'm going to pull in some lines I drew today. Messy, I know. Let me walk you through it. So early enough in the day, I mean, look at all of that drop, huge rally, huge drop out of nowhere. Headline this, headline that, headline. No, is it a headline? We debated. Oh, by the way, if you don't know, I run a live room where I share my screen more than 9 hours a day, every day. I'm with you all day, every day. And if you join the class, I'm posting up in the right-hand corner and the description, you will have access to that room as well. And a Discord channel with full Traditics AI bots, which means you will have hundreds of trade alerts from artificial intelligence company called Traditics. It's amazing. You can't keep up with it. It's everything, including crypto, including social media, everything. Anyway, back to the point at hand. So how do I stop myself from buying here and selling here and buying here and selling here? So early in the day, I posted the range that is likely where the S&P is going to close. So what does that do? Yeah, it looks wide here, but trust me, when you make the call early, it's not that easy. But it makes you money. So this was a trade alert that made money. This was a little early in the day, very early in the day. And then the second setups were to do iron condors and a credit put spread in addition to that one. So this one paid $170 per contract. And all we needed is for price to close inside this box. And it was a breeze, really. Look at where it closed. To the last minute, we were exactly in the middle of the box. I aimed for 3858 close from somewhere around here, and it closed like $2 off, which is pretty crazy if you think about it with all this chop. All this information I didn't get from the charts. Not one time did I get this information from the chart. I'm super good with charts. You can see all these lines. I'm comfortable. I should say I'm confident with charts. But that's not where the trade came from. It's from the information in the options data. So I tell my brother that. He doesn't listen. So if I wanted to be a better investor or a trader, even in equities, I should learn options just to read what the market makers say. This is the map that the market makers lay out because that's how they make and lose money. So if you read the options data, which is this stuff, this is where their money is. If you want to know what the market maker is doing, their money is right here. So I can teach you how to read that information. I call it the secret sauce. It's a going joke in my group because it's the secret sauce. Somebody filmed me do it one time. I was like, you release that, you're going to die. No, just kidding, of course. But anyway, it's pretty interesting. It's a lot of fun. And I think it just levels up your game. Sign up. I can't take many. I promise you I cannot take more than 13. All right.